Hello, my name is Shweihninzy and that is Burmese for Gold Rose. That is my name. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and testing out some new products from Milani Cosmetics. So if you guys don't know, we all know the Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation. This has been out for quite a while and I haven't worn this in a hot minute. I haven't worn this in a long time. It's been years. So I got a new one to test out. Arlo is screaming. What's wrong? Of course, now when I stop talking, he stops meowing. So I'll be using this on my face along with the Conceal and Perfect Concealer. I've never tried this before. This has been out for a while as well. And I'm going to be testing one of their new eyeshadow palettes. This is the Milani Gilded Terra eyeshadow palette. They have a bunch of different color ranges, and this one I picked up at Ulta. All of these things you can pick up at Ulta actually, and if you use the link that I put down below, it helps the channel out a lot. It helps me out a lot. Those are affiliate links, so please use those so I can continue to make content for you guys. This is the palette. I thought this one was really different. It's got some warm, obviously, like terracotta shades, purples, greens, all that fun stuff. And I also whipped out one of my favorite palettes from them. I don't even know if this one is still around. This is when they started doing the larger eyeshadow palettes. This is the Most Loves Matte. It definitely gives me like Stila, old school Stila vibes. Not old school, but like, you know what I'm talking about? Hopefully I can find a picture of what I'm talking about. So I'll be using this if there isn't a shade in here that I feel like is good for the look that I'm going to be doing. I also have these new Aqua Lashes. You don't need glue to use these. I know several people that I'm subscribed to have tested these out. I saw these at Walgreens and I was like, oh, I need to test those out. No glue, all you do is use water. I mean, we got magnets now to put lashes on and now no glue at all, just water. What are they gonna think of next? This is crazy. So I'm super excited to test these new products out. If you guys aren't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up. If you like the video, leave a comment down below. I love interacting with you guys, especially on Premiere. If you guys don't know and aren't subscribed or have notifications turned on, I usually premiere my videos and I'm on there chatting it up with you guys, which is a lot of fun. So definitely check that out if you are able to join the premiere whenever I upload the video. Also follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. I've been trying to upload more makeup looks on there. Follow your girl. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do one eye off camera. I am actually inspired by someone on Instagram. Her makeup is just stunning. Like my makeup looks like nothing compared to hers. Her name is Chloe Shanna, and oh my gosh, she's been featured on Made by Mitchell. Her makeup looks are seriously insane. Hopefully you can see that. My camera is focusing on me for some reason, but I'm gonna try and do something different. You guys keep saying that I use the same type of colors and the same type of looks, so I'm gonna try and do something real bougie. We're gonna try and do this. Let's go ahead and see if I can recreate this on one side of my face. And I'll be right back. I'm back, and I actually did not end up using the Milani Most Loves palette. There wasn't a shade that was dark enough, so I ended up going in with this Wet n Wild palette, and I used just the black. So you can use any black you want, but I decided to use this drugstore black because I didn't have anything dark enough for this side of my face. So what do you guys think? I think I did all right. This definitely was challenging and pushed me to try and do something different, which was a lot of fun. So as you can see, I have a piece of tape on my eye, and that's to help me with the shape of that wing. I'm going in with a gel eyeliner. This is just a regular black pencil liner. This one's the Essence Extreme Lasting Black Pencil. And what I'm doing is actually, I think I want to sharpen it a little bit. Make sure it's like nice and sharp so you can get a really good shape. This is going to help you sketch out the wing on this side. So do whatever you want to do to make that happen. So I'm tracing the tape here. Like I said, this is just sketching. So we're sketching literally the shape that we want to create, and then we're gonna blend it out with a smudging brush. So I'm just sketching this out here. I'm taking the black shade here, and I'm just going to be blending that black out. Alright, so I have a little something like that. We're gonna take the tape off. Ta-da! I'm going to use a pencil brush. This is the Sigma E30. I've had this so long. Like, look, like the color is coming off. And I'm gonna be taking this green shade down here called Bee Leaf, like L-E-A-F, leaf. And I'm gonna use this to blend out the black, if you can see. So, using this like on the outside. And then I used the brown shade called Branch Out, which is down here. And I took just, this is a Morphe JS13, and I'm blending the black and the green with this brown just to add a little bit of like warmth. Now I'm going to take, you know, just some micellar water and a Q-tip. You guys know how I like doing my Q-tip trick. It just helps so much. And I'm just going to clean up the shape here on my eyelid. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with a really tiny brush. This is a Wet n Wild, really tiny eyeshadow brush. And I'm using my favorite base, the P. Louise base, and I'm going to cut the crease. Now that we've got the nice shape, I'm going to use these two shades down here, the purple and this shimmery shade. This is Good to Grow and Enjoy the View. I really had to dig into this shade. It wasn't as pigmented as I thought it was going to be, so that was a little bit disappointing. I'm using a Sigma E30 for the purple shade, and that's going on the outside of my eye here. And then going in with Enjoy the View, which is that lighter, like champagne-y shade. And this part is optional. I'm going in with the Inkwell liner from KVD Beauty. This is in the shade Lolita, and in the reference photo there is like a little bit of like a red line. So I'm gonna put that on there. I was gonna use a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, but the one that I had was a little bit crusty, so I don't think that was gonna work. So I'm using this as my next best option. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Again, that's optional, you don't have to do it. And then I'm gonna go in with my Milani matte Stay Put All Day liner and line my eye. And it only took 20 minutes to do this eye. Oh my gosh. And then I'm going to highlight with the Enjoy the View shade up here. And there we go. Oh my gosh, this was so much fun to do. It's time for the face. let's dive in. I haven't worn this foundation in so long, so I can't remember how I liked it. This one I got in the shade Nude, so hopefully this matches me. Okay, and as you can see, I'm breaking out a lot. My skin is not looking too cute at all. Like I said, I have worn this before, so this isn't like a first impression or anything. I'm gonna use a brush. This is the Sigma F80. Oh yeah, it looks like it's gonna be a good shade match. I don't know if it's the foundation or the brush, but I don't remember it being this fragranced. Said it's been years since I've used this foundation. I'm a little worried that the concealer I got might be too dark. The foundation definitely has some radiance to it, but it's not as full coverage as I would want it to be, but it definitely is nice. The concealer I got is in the shade Light Vanilla, so I don't know if this is gonna be... Oh yeah, it's like a completely different color than the... I don't know, it seems like a little bit darker. I think this is darker than the foundation. I've got a really botched up Real Technique sponge here. I got the concealer and stuff online, so based on the description, I thought this one would have been okay. I need something a little bit brighter under my eyes. Let's go in with the Glamouflage concealer from Hard Candy. I'm gonna set my eyes with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I'm gonna set the rest of my face with my Maybelline SuperStay powder. This one's in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. This is just gonna help give me the coverage that I want. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyeshadow, put my eyebrows on off camera. I'm just going to bring the green under my eyes. I'm gonna put mascara on, and then we'll be right back to test out these water activated eyelashes. Went ahead and zoomed you guys in again so you can see the final look. I ended up using the Milani bronzer. This one's in this shade number 2, Silky Matte. This is probably one of my favorite bronzers, drugstore high-end. I love this bronzer. I've had this for so long. Absolutely love this and always go back to it. And then for my blush, I used the Perfect Diary number 4 shade. I just thought this would go with this look. And then I only had 2 Milani lip products. Not sure if it goes with this eyeshadow look or not. This is the Milani Matte Satin liquid lipstick in the number 2 Luxe. And then this is the Milani matte lipstick in the color 61 Matte Naked. So I have both of those mixed on my lips to go with the eyeshadow look. What do we think? I'm kind of obsessed with how it turned out. I'm not gonna lie, I look a little bit like a drag queen. This is not your everyday makeup, but I don't care. I had so much fun doing it. Here are the lashes, and as you can see, the lash band on them is like super, super long. So I'm excited to see how these turn out. I don't see any directions or anything. It literally just says 1 measure. It's like pictures on the back, 2, and then like dipping in water, and then 3, you put it on. You see those directions? They aren't even written, it's just a picture, so I'm assuming that's what you do. But these lash bands are super long. Oh, it comes with a pamphlet. But do you see the lash bands? They go past the eyelashes, so I'm definitely gonna have to cut them. Ew, there's like a weird, clear, sticky, like, I don't know if you can see that at all. Or maybe I'll put it in the eyelash tray. Let's do that. I'm just spraying a little water in there. But the lash band is like super hard. Like I can't even bend it at all, which is kind of weird. Actually, I'm gonna dip my finger in the water and put it on the lash band. Do I have to wait for it to get tacky? It's kind of sticking. It makes my eye look wonky. I'm gonna try the dipping, not the dipping method. I'm gonna take my finger, dip it in the water, and then put it on the lash band. I'm gonna try the dipping, not the dipping method. I'm gonna take my finger, dip it in the water, and then put it on the lash band. It seems like you have to wait for it to get tacky a little bit. I mean, they're on. I gotta fix my eyeliner. It like made my eyeliner look a little wonky. The lashes are on. Let's see if they, oh, they're on my eye. Ah, that's so weird. Oh no, the lighting is super yellow. What the heck? That is so weird. Oh my god. I need to fix my hair really quick and then I'll be right back. And here we have the finished look. I've heard from some of you guys you want me to do my hair different, but I like doing my hair like this. My hair has been in French braids for like 2 days. I love it. My hair is big and poofy. I feel like a giant pom-pom. But this makeup was so much fun to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I try to upload videos 3 times a week, usually Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So definitely subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Shweihninzy. I'm always uploading on there, letting you guys know what I'm up to usually. And y'all, thank you guys so much for watching and have an amazing day. Bye!